Okay, so for this training, we'll be talking about our Newlync application with our Rex IP-PBX, and I think these are some of the topics for today: the features and the functions, the installation and its registration procedure, the Newlync management system, and of course, how to bundle our new Newlync with our Rex IP-PBX. Okay, so let me give you a product overview about our Newlink. So here, Newlink is it is a digital collaboration platform for enterprises that should be able to provide users with a one-stop collaboration and communication features. So basically, we our Newlink provides provides a high definition of audio, video conferences, the IM, instant messages, and those phone calls. So you don't have problem with regards to terminals because it can support a multi-terminal collaboration. So as you can see from this diagram, we have the Redstone IP-PBX, so it can support access to Newlink cloud platform. This is to achieve the connection with those corporate extensions here. So it can, I mean, those corporate extensions we just like a mobile extension. So this one is very important with regards to some business so that you don't have to miss those very important call. Yes, and yeah, so basically we can also have a bundle with our Redstone IPPBX. So once you purchase that, it will be you can bundle the how many users you have and how many users that you wish to deploy on the enterprise solution. Okay, so let's move further. With regards to our features, so it's very easy to install. Registration and login can be done through your mobile phone or to the verification code. Also, you can do that with your emails as well. Um, yeah, I think for the mobile phones, requirement should be iOS 11 and above, and for Android is 7 and above. So that's very easy. You can install that to your smartphones. It's very easy to use, simple and user-friendly interface for communication. And it's secure and reliable because it has a multi-encryption and decryption methods. This is to protect the privacy and data security of the enterprise. Of course, it's stable. It has a cutting-edge technology. This is to ensure connection stability and those are reliability of the system. And we have a very reasonable pricing. We can offer a multi-level package. So you can do enterprise for your solution. Then it can do have this integration. You can dig with our IP-PBX, and you can integrate with instant messaging, video conference, IP telephony, and those IM. So we really emphasize here that we really make an importance to the data security. So we have a multi ways for higher security. We have the end-to-end encryption, front back terminal encryption transmission. So we do have those. I mean, this is to ensure that each message is encrypted using a new key. Say, for example, that's a front rear and encryption transmission. We don't want to compromise those any attacks, right, that can read your data or your messages. Of course, we have a simple uh, privacy agreement. It's very clear and simple, and we have a transparent and no data analysis. So we don't divulge your information to any third party or use that for any data from our user. And we have a very stable business model. This is a profit by providing paid functions and value added services. And we don't publish any advertisement or any pop up messages in the windows. And it is a custom deployment. We support a range of deployment options, include a public cloud deployment, private cloud deployment, or on-premise deployment. So yeah, you can select whichever the requirement from your customer. So here is some of the, I have to stretch out the functions. Easy communication with regards to enterprise structure. We do support a multi-level enterprise structure, and you can easily find your colleagues based on the hierarchy of the structure. We can do the search here, and also have the contact book. So you can search the contact book, and you can call anytime during meetings. Also, you can also initiate conversations on from your contact book, and you can search the chat history and conversation as well. Then more on, you can do have some edition. You can one click to enable the text, and of course you can organize your communications. You can send audio messages. There's no limit. You can talk as long as you want, and you can communicate easily with one voice message. And with regards to the message status, so you can enable or disable the red receipts here. So the red message status will only be displayed in chat. So when both parties was able to turn on these functions. In group chat, the group administrators can set whether or not to enable this red message status. So only the group admin can do that. Then you can ping your colleagues for those important messages. So you can show here on the main screen a reminder that make sure that you're not interrupted during your, I mean, your meetings or whatever your current status. So you just simply ping that one, and of course you can send multiple files, and we do have the end-to-end encryption for the file transfer. So it's very safe. So the data is very securely safe. And you can do also whiteboard and painting. Of course, you can select different brush. I think 17 brushes for that. So to make your some paint or just draw your ideas. Of course, you can annotate any messages, and yeah, you can save this one. Yeah, you can also copy and forward that. Also, you can share. So you can do anything you want with regards to the whiteboard. And we do also have the born after read and remote control. So yeah, we can also support customizing the time length after 1 minute or after how many seconds. Just after reading that, it will basically be deleted from the chat messages. So we do support a single chat or chat group and text or voice picture. We can also do that. So in general, we do support unlimited withdrawal functions of your messages or data messages on Newlync. Then, of course, you can support album. So you can make your album or just, I mean, upload your photo or save those video recording, and each of those files are supported with end-to-end encryption. And we do support group meeting. So you can start the meeting within a group. So you can simply click that one, and the group will have its meeting. And you can also support file sharing, sharing on screen. So you can have the applications for Windows. And of course, um, for confidential meetings, we can support up to 4 or 10 parties. And we do have a secure meeting room. So yeah, this is for I think we do support up to 400 users for one meeting room. So you can have a multi-party for all the the staff of the company, and of course You can have the locking meetings, and you can also have the recording permissions. So to ensure that it has been um, all the permissions, and during the meeting, you have the order, and you can control whoever wants to I mean do some recording. And it can support sharing of screens as well, and support session windows during the meetings, so you can easily send messages and send files during the meeting. Okay, so with regards to installation and registration, so this is the minimum hardware requirement: Windows 10 and above. And for Mac OS, 10 and above, and iOS is iOS 11 and above. For Android is 7.0 and above. And these are the requirements for the software version of our Rex IP-PBX version 204. And I think there should be no problem because we keep on updating our devices, and it is expected that those IP-PBX can support these functions. Next is Newlync software installation. Yeah. First one is you need to go to our website www.newlink.com, and you can download. So if you're using Windows client, you just simply click this one, and you will there is a QR code. Just simply scan that, and you will able to download the app. So Mac OS client, also the iOS client. So you can do that. Yeah, this is what you will obtain. Anyway, also there is a any pictures that having this one, you can readily scan, and the software will be downloaded to you, redirected to your smartphone. So this is the registration instruction. So for domestic market, we only support cell phone number registration, but I think for the global market, we do support both for the cell phone number and the email. We can do that. And here, if you're already in a team, you just simply click to join the team, and you can get the invitation code or the QR code from the team administrator. Now, if you don't have a team, so you just simply click the option either to create the new team, and now the team administrator, you can create your own team. And for each mobile phone number, it can support joining up to 4 teams for each one mobile number.